Hi everyone, today I will open up an iPhone X to show you how to change the part out of it, like example like the LCD, the earpiece or the sensor, or front camera or back camera or the battery. First, to open this, I will open the two screws on the bottom first. After I take off two screws on the bottom, I will use the heat gun to heat up around the phone for the glue to melt. If the LCD is still good, you don't, even if not good, you don't put the heat gun directly on the screen. You leave the space that go and then go around. Now after I heat it up, I'm gonna use a razor to put in the corner to lift up one part of the screen, and then I use the plastic pry to lift around the phone. This phone, if it never open, and then it's made a little hard for you at first, try to open it. So this screen is thick, so you put it little down, little hard little bit, and lift up a part of it, and use this to go around. To break all the glue left. If this will never open. So we go around three sides first. Top one you go last because they have the lock on the top. Now this phone is open. Okay, I will remove this plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screw to remove this, and then we can take off the flash of LCD. Now I take off the plate. Remember, put the screw in the position, so when you put it back, you don't put the wrong screw in the wrong position. If you put the wrong screw, you're gonna mess up the motherboard. Okay, I take off this plate, and now to take out the LCD, remember, disconnect the battery cable before you take off any flash, any LCD flash. If you do not disconnect the battery and then you remove these two flash of the LCD first, you will burn your backlight. You cannot see the screen light up anymore. You have to get it fixed, and it's expensive. So I disconnect this. This is the LCD cable right here. Disconnect it, and then to the earpiece, and then the sensor flash is in the third one. Second one, okay. They usually have some tape to stick down to the front camera flash, so you can separate careful. If it stick, they still have the glue right here. Now I have removed the LCD. For you to change the LCD to the new LCD, you have to take off the earpiece and then the sensor on top. So they have 3 screws right here. You could use the screwdriver to take off 3 of the screws. Okay. Now for me to remove this piece out, I usually remove all the two length right here too. So to remove it, I use the heat gun to heat it up. If you need to change the earpiece only, so remember stay away from the screen. If the screen is still good and you only need to change the earpiece or the sensor. So you heat up a little bit. After you heat up, you use the razor to lift all this, the whole piece of this up. They have glued a little tight, but be careful. It can be spend a little time to remove it. Okay. So now I take it off this. So to change the LCD, the only thing you need is to put back this piece to the new LCD. But before you change to the new LCD, you need to test the LCD first. The new LCD first. Let's see if it's working, or they have any sensor, any part good, or is it coming on? Because after you install, you may not be able to return to where you to the seller. To test the LCD, you may not have to install the earpiece. So I'm gonna put back this to disconnect it. I will put back this two cable of the LCD. For example, this is the new LCD you want to change. After I put off snap back to flag, is the camera. I mean the battery flag. Now I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. After the phone come on for you to test, you can move around all this and you put the home screen or the camera or anything. Try on anything. Okay, so it's working. Now to take it off and then install the earpiece and the sensor. So take it off, still have to disconnect the battery. Okay. Now you install the new one. Usually they have some glue or tape for you to stick on this one. So to put it back to the position like this, and then put back the 3 screw right here. Okay, I have put back all the 3 screw. So to install back the screen, do the same way like you test the screen. The battery still disconnect, you snap all these 3 flags and then power is on. So now I'm gonna open the back camera and show you how you remove the back camera. For the back camera remove, they have 2 snap right here. 1, 2, and then just use a thin razor or any thin tool to lift it up. Back camera is replace kind of easy. Let's make it a thing. Stop breaking more. Now to remove the back camera, you open the 2 screw right here. Okay. Yeah, little metal gap. This is the two flag of the camera. Use your finger, don't use any tool to lift up all the flag, any kind of flag. Now we use a razor to separate between two metal line right here. This is for the back camera. Okay, now the back camera remove. To put it back, so doing the same way, the way you take it off. Snap back the battery, the camera. You have the little thing right here you have to push down inside. And now put back the two screws on the top. For you to remove the front camera, this is the front camera cable, but you have to take off the battery. So for you to able to replace this front camera, to take off the battery, you have to use the heat gun to slowly heat it on the back of the phone. Heat it up away like this. This is on the position of the battery. After you heat it up, it takes time for you to remove battery because you not try to blow up it at home. But for you to remove the battery, if your battery is bad, you may want to go to the store, Apple store, or any other store for battery if you don't want to do it at home. Or if you want to give a try at home yourself, please be careful. So after you heat up, you use the dry plastic. You slowly, you hear the tape breaking, slowly leave it all around the phone. It takes your time, but that's okay. You need to be patient. After you can remove the battery, then you can change the new battery if your battery bad. Or you can remove battery, you can change the front camera if the front camera is bad. So this is where the charging port right here, disconnect it from right here. So if you want to change your charging port, just remove all screw and put it on the position so you can remember where to put them back, and lift up, did not repeat, lift up all flag, and then you change to the new flag. You will see how to do it when after you open the screen already, you will know how to change the charging port when you see the new charging port, and you can compare so you can put in the right position. So good luck with your battery remove. Remember, only plastic. Now I'm gonna put back the LCD. Battery disconnect, still disconnect. I'm gonna snap down this flag. After you snap all down, battery, and then test again before you snap back. I forget this actually put the 3 button for its power on. You see its power is on. For you to snap down, you snap from the top first, but when you open from the top left. They have the 3 lock right here, so you just slowly press it down like this. Screen is jumping because they have a line, and press down all around. So now you put back the 2 screws on the bottom. So good luck with your screen repair or any part repair. I didn't put it back in because I don't want you too much time, but remember you have to put it back in and the screw in the right position. So good luck and see you in the next video.